We're going into this, like, people say this is like a haunted building that they made into an apartment. Here. Gotta get the keys. And then, okay. So we're gonna go down a couple stories.
Hey, an elevator. See if it works.
Alright.
Oh my god. It's not working.
Oh my gosh. I think there's another one back over there. Okay.
Man, look how old this place is. It's abandoned, definitely. We're 3 feet under, well, 3 stories. I don't know why I said 3 feet, but 3 stories under the actual building. It's very scary.
The walls could cave in on this anytime.
Definitely. Alright, there's some voices, definitely.
I don't know what that is. What's behind that door?
Alright, let's go.
What the? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Dude! What was that? Seriously? What the heck was that? Oh my gosh. I am seriously freaking out, aren't you? Oh my gosh, dude. Oh. It's right there. Oh my gosh. We seriously have to get out of this building. Run!